Hi everyone, my name is Glory. This is my first video, my first introduction video. Yeah, this is the first I'm having. If you're seeing this video, this should probably be my sixth video. Yes, but I think I do have to do an introduction video, and this is the first one I'm doing. Hi. If you haven't watched any of my videos before, please do watch them. I do market runs. I go out, make videos on my tours to different markets, see different products, check for their prices, and I do give you the latest prices that I can find. I am a online vendor. Yes, I run my business online. Um I sell wristwatches and I sell sun shades. Yeah, I can't pronounce it. That's what I sell. I don't wear eyeglasses. I don't wear sunshades, but I sell them. So this is what I do for a living. And we'll be doing videos on all those things like that. I'm also a DIY person. I like to do things myself. I like to look for cheaper ways to do things. So we'll see if I can post one or two things on that. And then what else? What else do I know that I'm wonderful at? Yes, I'm a tailor as well. I do make my own clothes. I do my own DIY clothes like this outfit I am wearing. This was not how I bought it. I had to revamp, redo, read this, read that, read this, read that. And then it got to be like this. So I also do that as well. Mm, well, now this is Nigeria. You have to learn so many things so that you can run your business, you can do your stuff perfectly. Yes, and also I do some small drift things, Sha. So yes, I'll be putting all that up as soon as I can. God bless you. This is introduction now. I shouldn't be talking too much here. Anyways, um, thank you for some of you that have been watching my videos. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you for being here for me. I love you. I don't take it for granted. I am very grateful. Please do subscribe to the channel. It's a new channel, and I really do need the subscriptions at this point, and I do need the likes. Actually, it tells the algorithm that you you enjoyed what you watched. So yeah, don't mind if I'm making mistakes in this video. This is the first video that I'm doing sitting down doing it. So just enjoy me like that. Oh, God bless you. Have a wonderful